So good morning, sunshine. We are running late. I have to go drop these kids at the bus stop, come back, clean up, finish editing, clean my carpet because Juju vomit all over my carpet, so I have to clean it. I have to clean my house, and I have a whole bunch of stuff that I have to get done today. I need it done today, so you guys are gonna see me doing all of that today because I'm gonna record it. And yeah, so what time is it, guys?
8:09.
8:09. We have to go. The bus comes at 8:15. If the bus come whenever it feels like coming, but
Wait.
it's a little bit of walk to get up there. So we're gonna go. We're gonna start working. Lead the way. Isn't that right, Gio? This is too early for me, mommy. Gio, is this too early for you? Look at this nerd. Obey the sign. Stop. Go.
Video. Stop. Go. Oh, I'm sad. Look at all the bracelets I made, except for this one. Look at all the bracelets. And I made
Good job.
I made this one. I made 1, 2.
What did you make?
I made 3 bracelets and make them
the belly.
together. I made them to. I made one bracelet is very tight. That's very tight.
Look at that.
See,
Look at Gio.
See, it made marks.
Destiny. Gio. Madison. Gio. Destiny.
I have 8. No, I mean
Jaxson.
9. I have 8 bracelets.
Jordan.
And
So I just dropped the kids off at the bus stop, and I get so excited when I see that bus pull up. But hi, baby. You need to turn this TV down. I'm over here editing, but my Final Cut Pro is just like lagging. So I'm gonna leave it alone and then get started on this cleaning. Okay, this is the kitchen. So I have to clean this up. I'm finished with the kitchen, and I am gonna go bathe Gio. It's 11:41, so I'm gonna go bathe him, do my hair, makeup, get dressed, take him to the bus stop, and then come back and finish. So let me show you guys the kitchen. So yeah, let me close this laundry room. So I cleaned the stove and the microwave, and the counters are nicely cleaned. So yeah, when I took out some sausage for dinner, I'm gonna make, these are turkey sausage, I'm gonna make sweet and sour sausage in the crock pot. And yeah, so my kitchen is all clean. I ran the dishwasher, so that's finished. And then I started in the living room, in the dining room, but I have to finish it when I get back with Gio. And then the laundry that I started this morning, this is it. So I have to put this away. This is Ileana. That's going to my room, and that going to the boys' room, and that's Jackson. So I'm gonna finish that, and then I have to finish the dining room. So I got far. It's not bad. And this little guy has to go to school. Yes, it's time for a bath. You ready for a bath? Alright, what time is it?
5.
5? That's 5? Yeah. Are you sure?
5.
Okay, alright, let's go bathe you, okay?
No! 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 I have no lunch.
Are you ready, Gio?
No, I can't have no lunch.
No lunch?
No. I forgot a drink.
I finished cleaning up. Alright, let's go.
I have to go first.
Oh, you want water?
No.
You want water today? You want water today?
No, water for later.
Okay, alright.
For today.
Alright, I put some. We have to go. What time? What time is it? It's
from 9. From 9 now.
12:04. Let's go. Let's go, Buggy. I didn't bring the who?
Yeah, bring the poop bag.
For who?
For poop.
For Gio?
What?
For
For my butt? Is my butt? No. For my butt.
how long?
Yeah.
5 more minutes.
Okay.
So Gio is on the bus. It's 12:20. Gio's on the bus. As you can see, I didn't get to do my makeup because I'm gonna go do my hair. I'm gonna go do my hair and makeup, and then come back and finish up this whole mess. So I'm back. So I did my makeup, did my hair, throw some clothes on. I'm thinking of going to go get some Chipotle, but I don't want to go. I don't want to drive. I don't want to get in my car and drive. I'm gonna turn that TV off and then get started on my my floors before the kids come home, because I don't want them to. Because it takes a while to clean the rugs. So I need to get started, and then I need to put my sausage on around. Okay, right now this is the current state of my floor. There's shoes everywhere. There's still laundry on the floor that I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna clean all of this up and then do my thing. So So dinner is on. Now back to cleaning. Let's go. Yes. Let's get back to cleaning because we have to clean before these children come home. I think I'm nesting. I really do think I'm nesting. So. Okay, so it's 3:24. The kids get off the bus at 3:45. So I'm just gonna finish up my crack pot meal that I'm doing right now. And I left the house in a mess. Jojo, get out of there. No. I left the house in a mess because I was moving furniture and it just felt like I was doing too much. So I'm just gonna leave it alone for my husband to come home and finish. And then the kids are gonna pick up the piles that I swapped up. They're gonna pick those up, and then they're gonna pick up their toys and all of that. I don't clean up kids' mess. I put it in a pile. I clean, put it in a pile, and leave piles all around my house. So when they come home, they put their toys away. That way they don't feel like, oh, I make a mess and mommy clean it. No, you make a mess, you clean it up. So you will be coming home to piles and piles and piles. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing right now. I'm finishing up my crock pot. I'm going to pick up the kids in 15 minutes from the bus stop, and then I'm going to start my mashed potato to go with the sweet and sour sausage. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the day. I think I did a lot, and I have a lot of editing to do. So I wish Final Cut Pro would stop crashing on me. Like, I've been trying to edit one vlog, one video, not even a vlog, one video all day, and it's just been crashing. So I think I'm gonna go back to iMovie, and iMovie is moving so slow. It's like crawling. The joys, the things I do for you guys, you know. I love you guys, so there's a reason why I do it. I do it for you guys. So I'm gonna finish my food and then come back. Okay, so my pot is on for my sauce. So this is the sauce. This is the stuff that I'm gonna put in the sauce. So I have half an onion, a yellow bell pepper, and a green bell pepper. You can put whatever you want, but that's what I'm using. I'm just gonna put a little oil in the pan, not too much, just enough to coat the bottom. And that is gonna go into this, and then this bad guy, is going. So I put some seasonal. This guy. Put some seasonal here and some hamburger seasoning. I'm running low on seasoning, so whatever gives it flavor, I don't care. I really don't care. So that's what I put on there to season that. And yeah, they've been going for about an hour. No, 2 hours. Yeah, it's been going for 2 hours. So this is going, and then I'm gonna take I'm gonna get all the goodies into the pot. So, in my sauce, to make my sweet and sour sauce, I just put some burnt sugar, soy sauce, and seasonal, a little bit of water, and ketchup. And just the consistency. And I'm going to pour this over that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like with the sauce on it. So I'm going to let this cook for another hour. And then it's 3:38, so I'm gonna start walking to go get the babies. Yeah, so it's 3:39 right now. I'm gonna put Ginger leash on him and start walking. Blow this candle out. Safety first. Don't leave candles burning in your house, no matter if you're stepping out just for a second. Turn it off. So I'm gonna put Ginger leash on him and walk as fast as I can to the bus stop, because this bus driver takes, come Ginger. Oh, I hate when this dog lay all the way down. Joe. Yeah, my kid's bus driver, she pick and choose her time. I know it's based on traffic and all of that stuff, but you can't really time her. She'll show up early, late, it don't matter. So let's go. Alright, come on, Trisha. Come on. Your leash is under your leg. Why do you do that? Jaxson, what are you doing back there?
Playing.
Oh.
Wait, let me get some.
Juju is in timeout.
No.
They just finished homework. Daddy's home.
No.
Oh, I didn't show you guys that I did finish the house. I did finish. I'm doing laundry. This basket that was over there, I'm clearing it out now. So that's dirty. Take that to the laundry room for me, please. Thank you. This piece of clothes. Thank you. But yeah, I'm all finished. Yeah. My husband did the carpet. Getting ready to do dinner. I have to. These are all lined up for tomorrow morning. I have to clean the carpet. So dinner's finished. So I have vegetable going right now with onions, vegetable, mashed potato, and our sausage. Destiny. And our sausage. But I'll show you guys once it's plated what it looks like. Guys, come get your dinner.
A1?
The boy starts from that end. Destiny,
Where?
Destiny's right here.
This one?
Yeah.
This one? No, that's Jaxson.
Come on.
Jaxson, come get your food, boy.
Jordan, come get your dinner. Sit at the table.
Mommy!
Hey, Buggy.
No, that's where I sit. And this is.
Here you go.
And this is you sit.
Yes.
That's where I used to sit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm welcome. You need to say thank you.
Thank you.
Someone help Buggy. Can you guys help Buggy, please?
Yeah.
No?
Wait.
Buggy, okay, there.
Wait, I need to put something.
No, he's fine. He can kneel down. There you go, Buggy. Say your grace.
Who's gonna pray?
This is hubby's plate. Why does my sausage look so black? I think I overcooked it. But yeah, mashed potato, green beans, mixed vegetable, and sweet and sour sausage. It's good. So let's take his dinner to him.
This one is gonna hurt on my neck.
I've lost so
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna have to power through this. I'm using lemon.
Okay, guys, so there you go. So I'm gonna end the vlog for today. So thank you guys so much for tuning in with us today, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.